We are now doing sniper hunt. We are going to attempt to kill Christian. Well, that was Mark. Shooting from behind. Don't waste ammo. Unless you have a verified target.
Move up forward. Okay, cover me. I'm moving up.
That was definitely BB that just hit the...
Where is he? Alright, run for the wall. Oh my gosh.
Holy!
Dude. Where is he? I don't know. Stay down. He just hit the floor.
Yes! Ow! Hit! Holy crap, that hurt! Ah, dagnab! I'm dead! Oh, dagnab, that... What happened?
He got nailed in the face. Mark, I suggest not standing there like that.
Oh crap,
Woo! Mark, I suggest not standing there. Around there. Mark, you're gonna get nailed. Whoa, 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 whoa.